future looks like wow. Oh wow. It's like wow.
Have a wonderful evening. Cheers.
Oh wow. It's like wow. Yeah, wow. Future looks like.
We want to express our deepest gratitude to everyone here tonight. You're the reason why we are here, to celebrate your hard work, your dedication, and your unwavering spirit. We're so thankful to have each of you as part of our team. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas.
It's coming up right now. It's coming up right now. And it's looking like how? Future looks like wow. The future